I am happy to announce my new album that will end all of music creation as we know it. My new album, Demisius Releasius, is 3.7 billion tracks, 2.8 million years worth of music, all in one album. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of songs. And I'm no musician, but I swear, my AI model only assisted in 1% of the creation of this album. And luckily, us AI artists get copyright protections as they're technically original works. So I copyrighted all the songs for the rest of time. So go ahead and delete your Spotify and delete that music you're working on, because it's probably going to infringe on my new album. And if anyone knows where I can begin collecting royalties on birds and all the animals out there, please let me know. Now, I spent countless hours tweaking my prompt to create all the melodies possible, generated by all frequencies possible, and I can assure you that all the music that could ever exist for the rest of time appears on my album. Now, I just want you guys to know that I didn't do this for the money. I just wanted to put my work out there into the world. I just wanted to express myself. I wanted to say that this is the result of years of hard work. And I've always believed that hard work pays off. So if you work hard enough, you can also succeed in music. Well, maybe not in this life, but the next. Well, I guess if you end up back here, I guess it still won't work out, because the next life, technically my album will still exist in the next life for the rest of time. So maybe the next life, just not any life on Earth.